Welcome back to Nexel Electronics. In today's DIY episode, we are going to build a smart car parking system using Arduino Uno. Imagine a parking area where the gate opens automatically when a car arrives and updates the available slot count and closes once the car enters into the parking area. When all slots are full in the parking area, the entry gate stays closed even a car is trying to enter into the parking area. Until a car exits from the parking area, it is closed. This is a perfect beginner to intermediate Arduino project that demonstrates real-time automation, sensors and servo motor control all in one. Let's understand how it works. The system uses two IR sensors, one at the entry gate and another at the exit gate. When a car comes near the IR sensor, Arduino checks if there is any available slot or not in the parking area. If the slots are free, the entry servo motor rotates to open the gate. Once the car passes through, the sensor detects its movement and the gate automatically closes. The same happens at the exit. When a car leaves, the exit IR sensor triggers, the gate opens and the total available slots increases by 1. And here in this project, the available slots are displayed in the LCD. The LCD display continuously shows the number of remaining slots. When the parking becomes full, the entry gate won't open, indicating parking full on the LCD. This way, the entire process happens automatically without any human involvement. Let's take a look at the components required for this project. Arduino Uno, the main controller that processes sensor data and controls the servos and sends the signal to display on LCD. Two IR sensor modules, one for detecting cars at the entry gate and another for at the exit gate. Two servo motors to act as automatic gates for car entry and exit. LCD display to show the number of available slots and status messages. Jumper wires and breadboard for easy connections. Power supply or USB to power the Arduino board. By that, we will give power to other sensors and servo motors. That's all you need. A simple and affordable DIY automation setup. Let's move on the circuit connections. Connect the IR sensor outputs to Arduino digital pin 2 and 3 and IR sensor VCC to Arduino 5 volts and ground to ground pin. And pin 2 is for entry IR and pin 3 is for exit IR. The servo motor has 3 pins. VCC and ground simultaneously for 5 volts and ground, and pin 9 and 10 in the Arduino need to connect to the servo motor's control pins simultaneously for entry and exit gates. Pin 9 controls the entry gate servo and pin 10 controls the exit gate servo. The LC is connected using I2C. VCC and ground of the I2C module is connected to 5 volts and ground to the Arduino, and SDA and SCL pins to the Arduino's SDA and SCL pins simultaneously. Both IR sensors and servos share the 5 volts and ground lines from the Arduino. Once all connections are made, the system is ready to be programmed. Let's look into the main logic in the Arduino code. We start by defining pins for IR sensor, servo motors and LCD. Two variables like slot count and total slots keep track of the parking capacity. When the entry IR detects a vehicle and if slot count is greater than 0, then only the entry gate servo opens to 0 to 90 degrees and the display prints like car entering. And the slot count decreases by 1. Initially we are maintaining 10 slots in our parking area. As you see, if one car enters into the parking area, the number is decreased by 1 and it became 9. Like that, one by one car entering into the parking area, as you see in the video, the parking slot are decreased and became 0. Means the parking becomes full and the LCD shows as parking full and the entry gate remains closed. Now if you try to enter any car into the parking area, the gate won't open. It's a simple but powerful algorithm that demonstrates how automation can manage parking efficiently. Overall, let's see the project in action. When a car approaches the entry IR sensor, the LCD display car detected an opening gate and the entry servo lifts the gate. As soon as the car enters, the gate closes and the LCD updates the count, for example, slots left 9. When all slots are occupied, the display changes to parking full and the entry gate does not open for any new car. At the exit, when a car leaves, the sensor detects the motion, opens the gate and the available slot count increases again. The system resets automatically, ready for the next car. Like that, our smart car parking system is work in action. The project can be used in small office or apartment parking areas, shopping malls, college and school campuses, event parking management systems, etc. It's a simple model, but the same concept is used in large-scale smart parking solutions with RFID and IoT integrations. So that how we build a smart car parking system using Arduino Uno, IR sensors and servo motors. A small DIY project that automates real-world parking management. Like, share and subscribe to Nexel Electronics for more videos on electronics.